You're not stuck because you lack ambition. You're stuck because fear is calling the shots. And clarity, that's what changes everything. So let me hit you with some truth. You were not created to live paycheck to paycheck in a job that drains you. And if God has planted the idea of a business on your heart, it's not going away for a reason. This episode is your wake-up call. It's time to go to war with the fear that's keeping you stuck in that 9 to 5. This one's for you if you keep saying that you're going to start your business when things settle down, but nothing ever really changes. Or maybe you feel like your gifts are wasting away at your day job. Or maybe you're afraid to lose the security of your paycheck, but even more afraid of never trying. Or maybe you know you were made for more, but fear keeps convincing you to stay small. Or maybe you've started researching, planning, maybe even building, but haven't pulled the trigger. If any of that hits home, you're in the right place. Because by the end of this episode, you'll, 1, know exactly why fear keeps winning and how to take back control. 2, learn how to make empowered decisions even while you're still in a 9 to 5. And 3, walk away with a practical next step action plan that builds confidence, not chaos. So let me take you back a few years. I was in a high-level leadership position, making well over 6 figures. On paper, I had it made. But behind the scenes, I was exhausted. I was tired of working in a big bureaucratic system where you lose sight of who you're even serving. I was 40 plus years old, still being micromanaged. I had responsibilities, but no real freedom. There was this butt in the seat culture that had nothing to do with outcomes and everything to do with control. And here's the thing, I couldn't shake the entrepreneurial itch. No matter how secure my job felt, something in me kept whispering, you were made for more than this. That whisper turned into a roar. And when I finally decided to stop letting fear make my decisions, that's when everything changed. So let's talk about 4 big reasons fear is still in charge and what you can do about it. Number 1 is you're waiting for permission instead of taking ownership. Most people stay stuck because they're waiting for someone to say, it's time. The truth is, you will never feel fully ready. I didn't either, but I had to decide, am I going to lead my life or keep letting someone else do it for me? Ownership doesn't start when you quit your job. It starts when you decide to stop giving fear the microphone. So here's the action step. Write down 1 bold decision that you've been avoiding, then commit to making it this week before you feel ready. Number 2, you've equated security with safety, but they're not the same. That paycheck feels safe, but what is it really costing you? For me, it cost peace. It cost purpose. I had to ask, is the security of a check worth trading my vision, my freedom, and my energy? Your calling will always require some risk, but staying where it's safe often turns into staying where it's stagnant. So here's an action step. Make a list of what your 9 to 5 is really costing you, not just financially, but emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Number 3, you're trying to think your way out of fear instead of acting through it. Listen, you cannot think your way to courage. Fear doesn't vanish because you read more books or you plan better. You don't need more time. You need movement. Every breakthrough in my journey came after I did something that scared me, because courage is built through action, not information. So here's an action step for you. Pick 1 small, uncomfortable step towards your business today. Start the podcast, publish the offer, tell someone what you're building. Whatever that thing is, start it today. Number 4, you're fighting the battle alone. I tried to white knuckle this thing by myself for way too long. And you know what happened? Fear got louder, not quieter. You were never meant to build in isolation. That's why I created the DRIVENpreneur membership community, to give you structure, coaching, community, all that you need to move faster and with more confidence. So here's an action step. Join a community. It could be the DRIVENpreneur membership community. I invite you to check it out, but just join a community of people who get it. You need voices around you that speak faith, not fear. This whole episode is about empowerment, one of the core driven pillars. You don't need permission to change your life. You've already got what it takes. Empowerment is about giving yourself the green light. It's about deciding to trust your gut, your gifting, and your God. It's about becoming the kind of leader your future business will need. If you're ready to not just think about entrepreneurship, but actually walk it out, I want to invite you to book a free strategy session and learn about my private coaching program, Driven Owner. It's designed to help you replace fear with structure, confusion with clarity, and burnout with strategic momentum. You don't have to do this alone. Let's build it together. Here's what I want you to remember. You are not stuck because of your job. You're stuck because fear has been driving the bus, but not anymore. If you want to surround yourself with purpose-driven entrepreneurs who are building with clarity and courage, join us inside the DRIVENpreneur membership community. We don't just talk strategy, we build with accountability. We build with that winning mindset, with coaching, and real tools to help you grow. You don't have to wait another year to get started. Your next step is right now. Until next time, stay clear, stay focused, stay driven.